I'm Michael Ann Dillinger with TrūAura Beauty, and I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the TrūAura Bronzer. It comes in a quad, so you've got highlighter and then you've got 3 different shades that you can use for bronzer. There's a lot of different ways that you can use this. Some people just like to use it as a blush, which you certainly can do. You can use it for an eyeshadow. What I like to do with it is contour, just a quick, fast contour, and I actually did this morning, so I'm just going to kind of go over some of the spots that I did, but I like to use the TrūAura Angle Brush for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the lighter 2 colors right here, and I just kind of use the tip of that brush, and I go down the sides of my nose. And what you want to do, dark colors push back and light colors pull forward, so you're just shading a little bit, and then you're going to take the next 2 on the bottom and just the flat side. So what you want to do with your blush is you want to start it directly under your pupil, and then you want to go back to this part of your ear, and then you want to go up. So this is the area where you apply blush. Your bronzer is going to go, like if you were to do the fish face, kind of the hollow of your cheek. And I'm just kind of slapping this on just to kind of show you where you would put it. And then I'm going to take the same 2 colors, and I'm going to go around the underneath of my jawline, because again, dark colors push back, so if your neck sags just a little bit, you can kind of hide it. And if you want to make your face look more slim, you can kind of go down the sides of your face to slim it down. And you can play around with it. That's one way to do bronzer. Now the highlighter, you can do it a couple of different ways. I'm going to use the flat end since I haven't used this end yet. And you can do it kind of on top of your cheeks. And this isn't, I know when highlighter first came out, like it looked like a reflector, and you could see from across the room if someone had a highlighter. This isn't super shimmery, but it's going to be just kind of sitting on the top of your cheekbone. You can also do it your forehead, your Cupid's bow. You can do it kind of down the front of your face. But what I like to do with the highlighter is you can really make your eyes pop. And I normally just use my finger for this. So when you do your eyeshadow, you typically want to keep this part, unless you're doing dramatic, you want to keep the part that would go over your pupil light. So you can take your finger and you can do the highlighter directly over your eyeshadow. Now, see how that eye looks larger because I did that? Now I have to make the other one match. And I'm sure you could do this with a brush too, but I don't know. I just use my finger on that. That's one way to use the bronzer.